How to use Deepseek Janus-Pro-7B. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for Janus-Pro-7B. It will be landing you on Space. Different sites will be available to you. Do not head over to the very first one. Head over to this one, Chat with Janus-Pro-7B. Click on it. It might take a while for it to load. It will land you on its official page. Well, tons of different features and the options will be available to you. Over here at the very first, you can drop the image or any of the files that you want to. Once you upload the file or the image, you can ask any of the question according to it. In this interface, you can see I have uploaded some of the pictures and then ask the question about it. Not only this, you can also enter the prompt and then generate the image. In this section, you can see some of the prompts are available to you. You can simply click on it and then it will provide you the exact image that you need. Well, in the above pictures, once you've uploaded, you have to tap on chat. The model will start to operate. You need to wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, the response has been created successfully. Likewise, you can upload any of the picture and then ask the questions. You will definitely receive the response that you need, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use Deepseek Janus-Pro-7B. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.